Get ready to discover the latest tech wonders. In today's video, we're unveiling 11 incredible gadgets you can find on Aliexpress in 2023. From cutting-edge innovations to clever solutions, these gadgets will amaze you. Stay tuned to explore the future of tech right here on our channel. Number 11. The RGB Big G Table Lamp Bluetooth Speaker is a versatile addition to any smart home. Its sleek design comes in three chic colors: black, white, and light gray. With a wide array of features, it serves as a clock, alarm clock, and colorful atmosphere light. The lamp's app control and music rhythm pickup make customization a breeze among its 256 lighting modes. The integrated Bluetooth speaker, with 3W audio power, seamlessly blends entertainment with aesthetics. The lamp's wireless output ranges from 5 watt to 15 watt, and the LED output is 10W, while the 12-volt 2.5 ampere input voltage ensures efficient operation. Its 2 to 6 mm transmission distance enhances convenience. Number 10. The Gravastar TWS wireless Bluetooth headset is a true gem. With its stunning space gray and fluorescent green color options, it's a visual delight. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, it exudes quality. The BT 5.2 ensures seamless connectivity within a 10 range. The dual stereo, composite membrane moving coil loudspeaker guarantees rich sound, while noise reduction enhances the experience. These X5 waterproof earbuds are perfect for an active lifestyle. Enjoy 4 hours of playback time, extended by the 12-hour power pack charging box. At just $5 per piece, they're lightweight and comfortable. The Space Capsule gift box adds a touch of elegance to this exceptional package. Number 9. The 3-in-1 Bluetooth Earphones Cleaning Tool is a must-have for keeping your earbuds pristine. This kit offers remarkable versatility for AirPods Pro 321 and Xiaomi earbuds, featuring a soft microfiber brush atop the pen tip. It adeptly cleans even the tiniest parts and crevices. The opposite end showcases a gentle yet effective brush for the charging case. Its pen-like shape and portability make it perfect for on-the-go cleaning. From earbud holes to the charging bin, this tool ensures 360-degree cleaning, promoting longevity. Crafted from eco-friendly materials, it safeguards components without damage. Effortless maintenance for various digital products. Number 8. The 350ml automatic self-stirring mug is a true gem admired in Europe and America for its style and functionality. Crafted with high-quality materials, it combines a stainless steel cap, food-grade as cup body, and superior PP components, ensuring safety and durability. The self-stirring technology sets it apart, with a fluid motor responding swiftly to the press of a button, giving your beverages the perfect blend. The lid's tight seal avoids leaks, while the unique design of the mixing blade ensures thorough blending. Ideal for both home and travel, it's a versatile, battery-powered companion. This mug simplifies stirring, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Number 7. The Outdoor Mini EDC Beatles knife is a compact wonder. Hailing from mainland China, this stainless steel folding knife packs a punch. With a blade width of 20 mm and length of 23 mm, it's the perfect multi-function tool for camping and outdoor adventures. Its creative design and portable nature make it an essential gadget for any enthusiast. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive functionality. Whether it's cutting, slicing, or tackling various tasks, this knife proves its mettle. Standing at 71 in total length, it's a reliable companion for all your on-the-go needs, showcasing the perfect blend of form and function. Number 6. The Manker Timeback Roman 3 ADC Flashlight with a built-in fidget spinner is a versatile gem. Its innovative design, incorporating a fidget spinner, sets it apart. Boasting 3 light modes: high, middle, and low, it's a powerful tool. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it guarantees longevity. Waterproof and featuring a lighting distance of 100-200 meters, it's perfect for outdoor adventures. The flashlight supports dimming with 2.4 files, enhancing its functionality. With its striking light gray and black color options, it's a stylish accessory. Hailing from mainland China, it's a reliable tool from a reputable brand. This EDC flashlight effortlessly merges utility and entertainment. Number 5. The original Xiaomi AX3000 router redefines home networking. With wide physics prowess, it delivers blazing 3000 fast connectivity, backed by 5G's 160 MHz high bandwidth. Its off-bit transmission ensures efficient data flow, maintaining stable connections. The router's independent network acceleration engine enhances performance. A remarkable 360-degree signal coverage and 4 signal amplifiers eliminate dead zones, while mesh networking blankets the entire house. Its impressive 256 MB memory further boosts capabilities. The AX3000 marries power and innovation, making it a must-have for seamless online experiences. From speed to coverage, Xiaomi's creation shines brightly in the realm of advanced networking technology. Number 4. The vintage smartwatch in 16 Nixie Tube Watch marries eras with grace, blending modern and retro seamlessly. It's a masterpiece of material and technique. This wristwatch adds a rich presence to various scenes, infusing your daily life with timeless charm. Era's sleek design belies impressive capabilities, with 2 Nixie tubes seamlessly integrated. Intelligent chip control streamlines the body, measuring a mere 48.5mm by 39mm x 16.3mm. At just 50 grams, Era's dial offers comfort and balance, a true extension of your wrist. Wireless charging adds convenience, while a 3-hour charge offers up to 7 days of use. With interchangeable straps, Era encapsulates style and functionality in a single piece. Number 3. The Divoom Sling Bag is a versatile fashion statement. Crafted from high-quality PU leather, it's durable and wear-resistant, perfect for outdoor activities like biking, hiking, and more. This bag isn't just functional, it's a canvas for your creativity. Customize its pixel art pattern to suit your style. With endless design possibilities, you can carry a new look every day. The bag's practicality and durability make it an everyday essential. Waterproof and well-designed, it tackles various weather conditions. Join the pixel art community, stimulate imagination, and flaunt your unique style. The Divoom Sling Bag merges fashion, art, and utility effortlessly. Number 2. The mini washing machine, a travel essential with exceptional features. This portable and foldable device is a space-saving marvel, fitting effortlessly into various settings like home, dorms, hotels, and apartments. It offers double sterilization, combining blue light and high-temperature resistance for thorough cleaning and peace of mind. With a high-speed draining function and gentle washing mode, it operates quietly, ensuring uninterrupted work or study. Its fully automatic design, 0.8 kg washing capacity, and 7 to 8 kg dehydration capacity make laundry tasks a breeze. The Moyu second generation, upgraded folding washing machine balances convenience, efficiency, and compactness brilliantly, making travel laundry stress-free. Number 1. The ARROWMAX Smart Motion Control Electric Drill revolutionizes DIY projects. This pocket-sized drill boasts 5 precise power modes and a 350 mAh all-LiPo battery encased in a metal housing. With a speedy 550/min rotation, it ensures efficient performance. The Smart Motion Control features forward and reverse direction sensing, catering to various drilling needs. Crafted with industrial-grade aviation aluminum alloy, the benchtop drill press offers stability for high-accuracy work. Equipped with 10 size-marked bits, it handles diverse materials, illuminating workspaces with shadowless light and featuring an OLED display. This drill is a game-changer, elevating precision, efficiency, and ease in every DIY venture. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.